Welcome. If you want to set password on your apps in Realme 6s, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter the privacy. Scroll down once again and go for the app lock. Click set password. We can change log method for the pattern. It will be the same like our screen log method. Input the answer. Click done. And there's the recommend that we can set up this for apps, but also I can add the Chrome. Click log. And right now let's check how it works. And yes, right now to enter the Google Chrome we have to input our log method. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.